Joe Dispenza Morning Meditation, a practical guide. Welcome to Soul Fuel. 70% of today's mental chatter is just yesterday's leftovers. Same worries, new date stamp. Let's clear the cache before your coffee even cools. Section 1. Settle and breathe. Grab a quiet corner. Perch on the edge of a chair like you're about to tell a secret, palms on thighs. Let an audible sigh empty your lungs. Yes, dramatic is fine. Now breathe in through the nose, slow and steady, filling belly, ribs, chest. Hold, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Then blow it out like you're fogging a mirror on a cold day. 2 more rounds, each one lazier than the last. Feel your shoulders slide south, your jaw unclench. Thoughts drifting in? Wave at them, then let them float on. You're here, now, no red pens required. Section 2. Heart-brain coherence. Slip one hand over the center of your chest, right on the sternum, not the shirt logo. Can you sense the thump-thump? Good. Next inhale, picture each heartbeat sending a warm ripple up your torso and into your skull. Scientists call it coherence, we'll just call it harmony in high def. Imagine a soft, golden mist swirling around your heart. Every breath brightens the mist until it feels almost syrupy. Hang out in that glow for 4 slow breaths. No hurry, the email can wait. Section 3. Elevated emotion. Time to pick an emotion that's been on backorder. Maybe quiet gratitude for the barista who remembered your name, love for the dog who chews only the left shoe, or the giddy freedom of laughing until you snort. Whatever pops up first is the right flavor. Let it start as a hum in the chest. Turn the dial until it's buzzing in your fingertips. Your body can't tell memory from moment, so it will happily brew dopamine and oxytocin on demand. Wear that inner grin like sunglasses. Section 4. Quantum field visualization. Keep the good feels and stretch them outward. Sense your skin edges softening until you're more energy than elbows. In this roomy space, cue up one vivid scene of life already done, crossing the 5K finish line pain-free, signing the lease on the sun-drenched studio, or laughing with friends under that specific shade of sky. Crank the sensory details, the sweat salt on your lip, the papery sound of the contract, the exact laugh snort of your best friend. Dial the joy to 11 until it feels more solid than the chair beneath you. Section 5. I am affirmations. Quietly, like you're sharing a secret with your own heart, repeat, I'm worthy of this. I'm already living it. I'm open to even better. I'm aligned, I'm grateful, I'm new. 1 line per slow exhale. Let the words rattle around the ribs. Section 6. Seal and return. 1 last deep inhale. Watch the golden light shrink to a golf ball sun behind your sternum, today's upgrade in pocket size. Exhale, feel the body reappear, heavy and real. Wiggle fingers and toes, blink like you just woke from the best nap ever. Subscribe and share this video now. If something shifted, tap like so the algorithm knows we're onto something. Then drop a single word in the comments, the emotion you juiced today, to lock it in. I read every one. Need a longer ride? The 30-minute deep dive link is down below, patiently waiting. Conclusion. Carry it forward, don't bolt up just yet. Let your first move echo the vibe you just brewed, a soft smile, a quick thank you text to the barista, or scratching the dog behind the ear. The outer world starts sorting itself when the inner world stays tuned. Now go have an outrageously good day, because you're literally radiating it.